भाई ये प्रोडक्ट देख लीजिए. दिस प्रोडक्ट नेम इज नेचर प्राइम ड्राइड ब्लूबेरी प्लम प्रीमियम क्वालिटी. इसमें ये देखिए, ठीक है, बट इसमें शुगर जो है, शुगर इट इज़ 15 ग्राम. So why, if it is natural, then what is the purpose of adding sugar as an additive? And second thing, if it is blueberry, I will show you. Is this blueberry? It is not blueberry. So it is a completely scam by this Nature Prime, this company. And I will show you the seed. Just wait a minute. Yeah, these are the seeds. So it is not blueberry. And one thing that जो Flipkart है, it is also playing a very mind game that after this what you called seal is broken, then the product it will not be returned. But since it is not blueberry, then we as customer, we feel very disheartened. And I would also like to urge Flipkart to take some action against this so-called Nature Prime for selling different product by labeling it as blueberry. And you guys also please be aware that it is not blueberry. And if someone wants to purchase, then I would say that please go to local vendor or local people जो कि बाहर खुले में बेचते हैं. एंड होपफुली यू विल गेट ओरिजिनल ब्लूबेरी unlike this sugar additive, some different plum. Thank you for watching, and be aware. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.